Good day, everyone. Today we have a 2009 Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLS 4x2. So, without further ado, let's go start up. Here's the key. Exterior color is silver metallic with your chrome accents in the door handle and also in the side mirror. So, let's open up. Got your plastic materials in your chrome accents, silver accents, and also in the door handles. Got your power windows, cup holders, and your speaker. This is covered with a seat cover. It's aftermarket. Sorry. There you go. This is the original one. That's your seat position and seat position over here. So let's hop in. So before we check the interior, let's go ahead and check the exterior first. Turn on the headlights. Hazards. All windows are electrically powered. Only the driver side windows automatic up and down, one touch. Check out the exterior. Got your chrome accents, side mirror. Got your cheek light, turning signal indicator. Got your projector LED headlights, your fog lights, and your intakes. The design of the Montero is similar with the similar older Mitsubishi Strada models, as you can see. Got your stock rims from Montero. Underneath your chassis, your screen, your coilovers. Your side moldings, your fuel cap, your wheel arches. Got the roof rails, your roof rack. Got your slick design on the taillight, rear wiper, and your third brake light. Your spare tire. So, let's pop the hood. the engine. It's a 2.5 liter diesel engine with common rail. It has a Varti Geometry Turbo. Got your air filter. Your battery, which is Motolite. So let's check the interior. Got your interior lightings. Let's happen. So it's a 5-speed manual transmission with your manual shift ability, plus and minus. Got your handbrake, your cup holders, your storage. Got your aftermarket head unit. Comes with a YouTube and Netflix, some other apps with Bluetooth, CarLink, settings, video and music. Let's try some music. Also have navigation. Comes with your smartphone. Well, it's loading. Here's your radio. Got your AC, your power outlet, and your switch. Your stock radio from the Montero. Got your conditioning controls. You got your fan speed, your temperature, different zones, your defrost. Here's your gauge. You got your RPM, your tachometer, your fuel gauge, your temperature gauge, and your handbrake indicator, your door indicator, your signal. For conditioning controls, you got your retractable. Got your dash cam. This is aftermarket. This is the stock one. Behind on it. Got your vanity mirrors, sunshade. Your USB connectors, auxiliary input. Got your pedals. brake and gas, and your wheel door here, and your OBD slot, and your fuse box. This is the steering wheel. Has your mode with your SRS airbags. Go ahead and shut up. Check out the rear seats. Same design on the front with your cup holders and your speakers and your chrome accents. Let's try to recline this. Now you can enter inside. Yeah. Here's inside with the 2009 Mitsubishi Montero Sport GLS 4x2. Legroom. Your headroom. The older Montero has air conditioning. Dito siya nakalagay. So parang dito pakiramdaman na lang, which is the 2012 models of the Montero GLSV, which is here. Diyan siya. Go ahead and check the trunk. Also recline the seats. Just like that. And also in here, so you can with your jack stand. Here's inside with the 2009 Mitsubishi Montero Sport. It's very sporty and stylish inside. In the steering wheel, lovely older versions. Ganda nito. So let's check the fuel cup. Their stepward. This is runs in diesel. So hope you guys enjoy the review of the 2009 Mitsubishi Montero Sport. See you guys. Thanks for watching.